So my approach around working with young people and young critics is to listen to them. Is one thing, because there are so many different ways to communicate, and I feel like I'm not completely up to date with the way that they do that. So I think it's really important for me to understand how they are going to show their criticism, where they're going to put it. So I need to be able to understand that to then be able to facilitate around that.
You know, you actually don't have all the answers as a facilitator.
Yeah,
and sometimes they've got really big insights that you've never even thought about or seen. So it's just allowing the group to kind of develop at its own pace. And obviously making sure that, you know, people are getting an opportunity to work with different people all the time. And so something they might be really strong at in one session, and then the next maybe they're not, and that's okay, you know.
Yeah, I feel it's very important as well. Where this is all about their opinions and their voices, it's very important to create that safe space within the group for everyone, so that everyone does feel that their opinion is valued and listened to.
And I think one of the steps from our perspective is I suppose bringing them to quality work, because you want them, you know, you want to be able to, you want them to have an enjoyable experience. So you don't want to bring them to see something that's maybe below par, so that when they go to theatre, they're seeing the best that's available, so that they can talk about it. They can talk about it, you know, an excellent production, really objectively.
And in which way you decide to give that opinion, so whether it is in written form, or whether you're going to record something, a vlog, or whether it is going to be a blog which is written, but you still need to think about the different ways that you do that, or if it's going to be a podcast, or there's so many different ways to do it now as well. And I think for us as well, it's about listening to the young people so we can learn from them and how do they communicate. So what are going to be the new forms of criticism? How is that going to happen and evolve?